This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking what you can actually do. Apple Watch does not officially pair with Android phones, so you need a workaround. First, make sure your watch is freshly erased and in pairing mode. Press and hold the side button to access settings if needed. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the Android device and sign in to your Apple ID on an available iPhone or Mac if you plan to use a temporary device to complete activation. Next, pair the watch to an iPhone or Mac temporarily to perform activation and set basic settings. This step is critical because the watch requires Apple services to finish setup. Once paired, enable Wi-Fi on the watch and sign into your Apple ID. Make sure Find My and iCloud settings are enabled. After activation, install third-party companion apps on your Android phone that can forward notifications or sync limited health data, and connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network for stability. To finish, leave the watch on the same Wi-Fi network and use Android companion apps to receive calls, texts, and some app alerts. Understand that full functionality like iMessage and cellular setup may remain unavailable. If things go wrong, first restart both devices and confirm the watch is signed into your Apple ID and connected to Wi-Fi. If problems persist, revoke and regrant permissions on Android, or repeat the activation process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.